Express the inequality x is greater or equal to minus 4 but less than or equal to 2 in the form x minus a is less than or equal to b. Okay, if we consider x as minus a is less than or equal to b, what bit will make that 0? Well, it'll be x for equal to a. So for values x less than a, then we use solve minus brackets x minus a is less than or equal to b. So if we multiply both sides by minus 1, we're going to get that x minus a is greater or equal to minus b. And for if we now add a to both sides, we're just going to get x is greater than or equal to a minus b. Now for x greater than a, we're going to have to solve x minus a is less than or equal to b. So adding a to both sides, we're going to get that x is less than or equal to a plus b. Right, so writing that inequality out, x must be between a minus b or equal to less than or equal to a plus b. If we take our inequality and write it underneath, x is greater or equal to minus 4 or less than or equal to 2, then we have that a minus b will be equal to minus 4 and a plus b will be equal to 2. So writing down a plus b is equal to 2, that gives me equation 1. And then a minus b is equal to minus 4, that gives me equation 2. Solving them simultaneously, adding to eliminate b's, we're going to get 2a is equal to minus 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we're going to get that a is equal to minus 1. And then we substitute into equation 1, so minus 1 plus b is equal to 2. Adding 1 to both sides, we're going to get that b is equal to 3. Just a little check in equation 2. So a, which is minus 1, minus my value b, which is 3, minus 1 take away 3 is equal to minus 4. That's what I wanted. I got agreement, so therefore I must be correct. So that a is minus 1, b is 3. So we had to write it in x, the absolute value of x minus a is less than or equal to b. So we're going to have x minus minus 1, because a is equal to minus 1 is less than or equal to 3. That gives the absolute value of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 3. So if you solve that inequality, that one here, you will get back to this answer here. So this has been expressing an inequality in modulus form. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.